Hey, what's up? Merry Christmas, everyone. So I've been looking around a little bit, and I did see something that was left out, and I haven't even tested to see if this is the fix. But um, go into your first-person shooter game mode, and just for the return value, pipe it over to pawn for each one. For some reason, when we change the variable, it disconnected. So let's bring that over and see if that fixes the issue that we had. If you're not sure what the issue was, basically we were getting errors when we tried to spawn from the whatchamacallit, the spectator pawn. So let's see what happens now. See if we can get some life. There we go. Okay. So we still need to play around with the cameras. Alright. As you can see, we've got some alien action going on here. There's a few things we can do here. I'm kind of playing around with the idea of keeping the arms and maybe hiding the chest, you know, head, and the arms, the arm bones, just for the player. So that may make life a little bit easier. So okay, so let's see here. So we got that. Sweet. Good stuff. That's pretty much it for the port over. Now we have to play around with the animation blueprint and all that great stuff. So let's go ahead and open up our advanced locomotion ALS base character. Okay. So as I went over in the previous videos, it's going to look like this. So as you know, we ported ALS into first-person shooter template. Okay, and then we replaced everything with BP based character with ALS, and your main base character is basically ALS. So when you go into ALS, you rename that begin play as first person shooter begin, adding the sequence. This is no longer needed. Okay, delete that. This was just some testing I had going on. Alright. And then we added another pin here for the tick. Alright, so everything within the first person shooter that we collapsed into this node is being called. Now there's a bunch of things that you need to fix with the controls, and I actually copied over my previous project. So let's see. Let me take a look here. Alright, so basically you need to if you want to use your ALS controls, you'll need to go into project settings and make sure there is a setting for each ALS. Let's go into input. Alright, everything needs to be called if you want to use ALS. Right now we're kind of using a little bit of both. What I can do though is I can export this, and I will put it in. I'll just link it to my YouTube video. Here, I'll call it first person shooter version 3.0 with ALS 3. Okay, so I'll go ahead and I'll upload that so you can use it if you want. It's up to you. Alright, so now, I'm gonna pause this video. I'm gonna start working on the animation blueprint. What I'm gonna do is give you the option of changing between first person shooter and third person shooter, going back and forth. Alright, so stay tuned and thank you for watching.